Vintage LEDs. It's made in the USA and it's veteran owned, veteran ran. They make LEDs for taillights, park lights, reverse lights, and DRL. What's cool about them is that they're designed to pass a water and ice immersion test, which I thought was pretty cool. All of our LED boards are conformally coated. It's a pretty thick coating, high quality coating that protects against moisture and corrosion. I'm no LED professional, but I can tell by just looking at them that they are high quality LEDs because I've had plenty of experience with cheap LEDs. What's cool about it is it's a simple plug and play installation. If you've ever messed with LEDs, it's pretty cool that they have a no wire harness modifications required. The original style thermal flashers will not work with LEDs, so you will need to replace the flasher module, which you see here. I was able to get my hands on some of Vintage LED's new products. These are for 1965 and 72 F100 as well as Broncos. Their LEDs are automotive grade. The set I have are 40 super bright Osram automotive LEDs for brakes, integrated 460 lumen 4000K for the backup light. They have an optional for some of their boards, 360 lumen amber turn lights integrated into the backup light area. And I'm hoping this product will keep me from never having to go to a different LED. So we were one of the few to test this particular design. I'll be honest, right off the bat I noticed the coating, and you can tell that the coating is thick, and immediately you can tell that this could handle quite a bit of moisture. One thing I really like about this product is actually something quite simple, and you can tell that they really put a lot of thought into it. Bulbs are sometimes hard to install or remove. And on the back of this, essentially, light bulb base is a indention to use a flathead screwdriver to install. I thought that was brilliant, and it made it really easy. So $95 for the pair that I have is actually a pretty good deal. And if you need the amber lights, I think they're about $115 per pair. And I believe they ship internationally. What is cool is that after I got a hold of these tail lights, I asked if he had LEDs for the front park lights and signal lights for my 67 to 72. And he said if I had the bezel, I just send it to him and he would be able to create a board. So it feels cool that CraigerCo was able to participate and help a company come up with another product that classic car lovers like all of you and myself can hopefully soon go and buy. I appreciate Gary for giving me the opportunity to help him design and create more options for the classic car community. So far, my favorite part of this company is that they are not a huge company. They focus on quality, they focus on veterans, and that they're US based. I loved how smooth the installation went. And as you can imagine by watching, I'm pretty happy with these. They're very bright, there was no modifications. I highly recommend that you guys check out Vintage LEDs. The links are in the description below. They also have a Facebook page and YouTube channel. Be sure to check them out, and if you have any questions, hit up Gary at Vintage LEDs. As always, guys, thanks for all of the likes, shares, and thumbs up. I really appreciate you guys, and I hope all these videos are informative for you.